You clicked on this video because you're interested in learning how to do tire rotations at home. More importantly, how you can do these at home quick and easy. Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how I do my tire rotations and how you can too. First up, locate your owner's manual. As a side note, many newer vehicles do not come from the factory with an owner's manual. You have to look elsewhere. This can be attributed to several factors, such as digital manuals, environmental and cost savings, as well as weight reductions. Make sure to let me know in the comments what you think about your new vehicle not having an owner's manual or a spare tire. If you've never seen your owner's manual, make sure to check in your glove box. Otherwise, owner's manuals can be found on your manufacturer's website or other online databases. Inside of your owner's manual, you'll be looking for 4 important pieces of information: the manufacturer's recommended tire rotation pattern, wheel lug or wheel bolt tightening torque specifications, lug tightening pattern, and recommended jack locations.
The right front tire, chock the left rear tire. 2 triangular cutouts indicate the front jacking locations.
Raise the jack until it properly engages the jacking location. Do not raise the vehicle until you're sure the jack is fully engaged.
Locate your spare tire. These are usually located in the trunk area or under the cargo area of your vehicle. Remove your spare tire from the cargo area. Here's a quick look at the tools that are required in order to do this tire rotation properly. I recommend 2 high-quality floor jacks. You're also going to need a few jack stands, a breaker bar, an impact wrench, a torque wrench, and some impact sockets. And lastly, don't forget about your rubber gloves. All of my go-tos have been linked in the description and the comments section below. Below, you'll also find a link to my free tire rotation guide PDF that I used to create the graphics in later parts of this video. All I ask in return is that you click the subscribe button. Make sure to reference your tire rotation pattern before you begin removing any tires. Knowing that this is a 4-wheel drive vehicle, I will now demonstrate how to do the rearward cross pattern. Start by removing the driver's front tire. You're going to replace this tire with the spare tire. As a side note, I'm only lightly tightening the lugs on this tire as I'll be removing it in later steps. Next, remove the passenger rear tire. Replace this with the driver's front tire. Remove the passenger front tire. Replace this with the passenger rear tire. Make sure to use the lug tightening pattern even when loosely tightening your lugs. Remove the driver's side rear tire. Replace this with the passenger front tire. And lastly, remove the spare tire that you first put on the driver front location. Place this with the driver's side rear tire. Now we can lower the vehicle and put the spare tire away along with all of the other equipment. And there is one final step. You need to tighten your lugs to spec. To do this, set your torque wrench to the torque setting found in your owner's manual. In this case, it's 100 foot-pounds. Using the appropriate wheel lug tightening sequence, torque your lugs to spec. Also good practice to retorque your lugs after 100 miles of normal driving.